Sure, the videos you will find it on YouTube, the revision.
Yes, teacher, YouTube better.
I put it in YouTube. I
Okay.
put it already on YouTube. You will find them on YouTube. You can see them at the weekend. I bought a lot of videos. I bought for grade 7 and grade 9. So you will find your videos revision grade 8. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shabab? All of you? You got the idea?
Okay.
Your videos, your revision on YouTube. I want PC. Sine cosine tan يا شباب. It's working only at right triangle. Only at right triangle. طيب here I don't have right triangle. What should I make? He's asking you. Wait. He's asking you to find this side. I don't care about this side. I want to use sine, cosine, and tan. So I must have a right triangle. Huh? Sorry?
62 make line opposite.
Make a line from the middle. I cannot hear you well, يا رجل بشكل. I will make a line on the middle. And I have here 7 means the second side is 7. Isosceles. What's the meaning of isosceles? Two equal sides. I have 7 to the left, 7 to the right. Now I can solve. Which side is asking me? He's asking me to find BC. I can find the half of it. I can find half of it بس الحتة دي. Because I took this triangle. The red one. I took this triangle. I have 62. I will make a line. This is opposite. I don't need it. And here adjacent. And here hype. Opposite. I don't need it. Cross it. I have adjacent and hype. Adjacent and hype. Which rule I will use, Sam? Adjacent and hype. Cosine. Cosine, the angle is 62. Cosine angle is 62 is equal to opposite adjacent is x and hype is 7. Out of 1 cross multiplication. Find x يلا شباب.
Teacher, it's equal to 3.3.
3.3. This is the value of x. But take care about wait. I have the value of x at 3.3, but it's half of BC. Is asking you to find BC total. So BC is equal to 3.3 multiplied by 2 is 6.6. Final answer 6.6. Is it clear, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you understand it? عمر ميجرن مشعل وضاح
Yes, teacher.
السلام محمد حمزة تاين. طيب let us take another. Let us take the second one. He's asking you to find LM. LM, the missing side here. LM. Okay, شباب. I want LM. I want this missing side. I will name it as X. I want the missing side. I will name it as X. Okay, شباب. The way to solve. يلا يا هشام.
هشام مش موجود يا أستاذ.
ليه؟ هشام is absent. طيب I will wait for 5 minutes then take the absent. يا وسام.
Yes, teacher.
I want to find LM. Give me the way how to solve to find LM. Or the angle as the side X خلاص. We named it as X. I want to find it.
Put line at the middle.
Make line in the middle. Divide to 2 halves. This is the middle. يلا قول لي ايه اللي هيحصل when you divide it to the middle. What will happen?
62 divide 2.
يعني 31 to the left, 31 to the right. حلو. يلا complete.
Then
when you divide the middle, also this side it's divided to 2 halves. 3.4 and 3.4 صح؟ تمام؟
تمام.
He's asking you to find LM means I will solve this triangle. The shaded triangle. خلاص سهل. From the angle 31, I will make a line opposite and
Opposite.
height.
Sine.
عبد العزيز عصام. Sine.
Sine 31.
Please عبد العزيز عصام يا راشد. راشد عبد العزيز عصام will solve with me. Sine يلا عبد العزيز.
Sine 62.
31.
31 equal
Yes.
3.4 out of x.
No X.
لا راشد. I don't know you are confusing this. يا راشد opposite first then height. Opposite is 3.4 then height is x. Okay راشد. Then make cross multiplication. Start with the side of x.
Yes.
Sine 31x is equal to 3.4.
Out of 3.4 out of sine of 31.
Divide sine 31. I will cancel x is equal to. يلا شباب.
I will see teacher on the calculator.
6.60.
Yes,
6.60.
6.60.
Centimeter or meter. Centimeter. Okay, شباب. This is for x or ln. Is it clear?
clear.
Clear.
تمام. عبد الله سعد. عبد الله سعد. Okay, sure. Let us take number 3. At number 3, he is asking you to find AD and BD, the area and the angle C. Yes.
خلاص.
I want AD and BD, AD and BD. I want the missing side here and angle C. Look يا شباب, I will name the missing as XYZ. I want X, I want Y, and I want angle theta. This is the missing at your problem. مين هيحل؟
أنا.
عبد العزيز فهد. يلا عبد العزيز فهد. Which one you will choose? X, Y, and theta. Which one you will find? As you like. Choose any one.
The one with the X, the triangle with X.
You will find what? Sorry, I didn't hear you, معلش. Repeat again.
You asked me which triangle we start.
Which angle or side, as you like. You have X, Y, and theta. Which one you will choose to find?
The big one first.
يعني X you mean? Or Y? Let us take X. Yeah. From angle 30, I will make a line. X is opposite, and here height, صح?
Yes.
Which rule you will use?
Sine.
يلا sine كم?
Sine 30.
Sine 30 is equal to X out of 5. Here out of 1 cross multiplication. X is equal to يلا حبيبي. Sine 30 times 5. 2.5. I will write here 2.5. We solved it yesterday.
Yes, teacher.
We solved it.
Yeah.
طيب let us complete مش مشكلة. يلا. This is adjacent صح? So this is opposite, adjacent, and hype. I will use cosine. To find y, I will use cosine. Cosine 30 is equal to y over 5. Here over 1 cross multiplication. Y is equal to كام يا شباب؟
4.33.
4.33. I will write here 4.33. I will find angle theta. I will make a line opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent. Which rule I will use?
Tan.
10 angle theta. 10 missing is equal to 4.33 out of 7. Shift 10, yes. يلا shift 10 to find theta. The angle is
31.7.
31.7 degree. This is 31.7. And the last question is asking you to find area. To find what شباب area. Area is equal to base height divided by 2.
No. Yes.
Bases total means 9.5 times height is 4.33 out of 2. The answer is
20.6.
20.6. Only this is the way to
Yes,
solve.
20
Okay,
points.
شباب?
After estimation.
Okay, let us take another. Calculating angle by shift, sine shift, cosine shift, and like this. I have angle is missing, يا شباب. Angle is missing. Simple problems, it will come in the final. Not only the hard problems. Don't focus only with the hard problems and leave easy one. Like this, it's easy. And also the idea will come in the quiz. This is opposite and here hype. Opposite and hype means sine. Sine angle theta missing is equal to 3 out of 4. What about angle theta? Shift sine, يلا شباب.
48.6.
48.6 by using shift sign. Can you rush?
Yeah, shift sign.
From the angle, I will make a line. This is opposite and here hype. Sine angle theta is equal to 18 out of 25. I want theta. Shift sign, يلا.
46.05.
برضو 46.05.
05.
This 48. Okay. تمام. easy يا شباب.
Easy.
يا شباب اللي ما بتشاركش
easy.
مش على ميجرن عبد الرحمن عبد العزيز مقبل عبد الله حميد.
Yes, easy.
Yes, teacher.
طيب ويت يا شباب بس.
Yes, teacher.
It's easy or hard? This is my question.
Easy.
شباب. Wait, give me 1 minute.
Easy.
يلا, give me the absent. We said who is absent? I am entering by 2 accounts. Take care. I'm entering by 2 accounts. Who's absent?
طالبين غايبين دقيقة ببحث.
Tell me them.
Teacher Hisham.
Hisham is
Yes.
absent.
Okay, and whom?
Only.
Only Hisham? You said 2 students.
2.
I am entering by 2 accounts. خدوا بالكم. I'm entering by 2 accounts. 23, I have 2 accounts. يعني you are 21. How many students in the class? 22? How many students in this class, شباب?
22. 23 مع الأستاذ.
23 or 22?
عدد
يعني
الطلاب
only Hisham.
22.
عدد الطلاب كم؟
22.
خلاص يبقى
Yes.
هشام بس. طيب the last chance for you عبد الله سعد. عبد الله سعد. عبد الله. يا عبد الله. I will write your name as absent يا عبد الله. عبد الله. طيب. Let us complete. Let us take some problems like this. 2 triangles. If the question is to the left, start from the right. The question to the right, start from the left. Start from the opposite. يبقى هنضحك عليهم يا عبد العزيز عصام. We will start from where? The opposite. ازاي؟ Look عبد العزيز. I ask you to find theta. صح؟
Yes.
Cross it. Don't start from this triangle. Start from the second. The opposite.
Okay.
Here is opposite.
It
Here
is height.
adjacent and height. I don't want adjacent, I want only the opposite, the line between. I want to find the line between. Migrant. I want opposite and height. I have opposite and height. I will name opposite as X. Which rule I will use, Migrant? Opposite and height. Migrant. Migrant.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, which rule I will use, Migrant?
I don't know.
Why I don't know, Migrant? Abdulaziz Migbil. Which rule I will use? I have opposite and height. Shabab, this bird ends at what? At 11?
11. Yes, 11.
Okay, Migbil. Which rule I will use? Opposite and height. حرام والله اقسم بالله حرام اللي انتوا بتعملوه في نفسكم. بدر الشبلي. Which rule I will use? Opposite and height. بدر. أحمد بدر. Which rule I will use يا أحمد بدر? غسان. غسان. مشعل. مشعل.
Yes, teacher.
Which rule I will use يا مشعل to solve this problem? Opposite
Sine.
and hypotenuse. You have 3 rules, sine, cosine, and tan. Which rule you will use to find
Cosine.
the missing? Sorry?
Cosine.
Cosine, opposite. I say opposite. It's a cosine or sine.
Sine.
عبد الرحمن. عبد الرحمن. عبد الرحمن.
Yes, teacher.
Which rule I will use, عبد الرحمن? Opposite and height.
Sin.
Sine يا حبيبي, not sin.
Sine.
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 Sine. Angle is 50. Is equal to opposite is x and height is 8. I will make over 1 cross multiplication.
6.13.
X is equal to كم?
6.13.
6.13. I will write here 6.13. And take the second side. At the second side, I have theta. I will make opposite and height also the same. Opposite and height. So I will use sine. But sine missing this time. Sine theta is equal to 6.13 out of 10. To solve it, you must
Shift sign.
use shift sign. Yeah, shift sign to find the angle. The angle is what? Sure.
37.8.
37.8.
Yes.
I found that. Okay. Shabab, is it clear? I explained to
Yes.
7
Clear,
students
teacher.
in
Yes.
this class. In this class, I explained to only 7 students. And the remainder, أقسم بالله, they didn't come أصلا. They didn't come from vacation. Okay, let us take another. Ya Hamza, you should bring mic, ya Hamza. Math can't be without mic. Let us take the second. Abdullah Ahmed. Abdullah Ahmed. Abdullah Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla Abdullah. I want angle theta. As I told you, if you have missing down, start from up. Start from this angle. This opposite. This is adjacent. And here height. I have adjacent. I don't want the opposite. ولا له لازمة. I want adjacent. Adjacent and height. Which rule you will use? Abdullah, which rule you will use? Adjacent and height.
Adjacent.
Yes, it's adjacent and hypotenuse. Which rule you will use? You have 3 rules يا عبد الله. Sine, cosine, and tan. Which rule of them you will use?
Sine.
Adjacent is sine. Is it clear يا بدر شبلي بدر؟ You have mic. طيب وضح.
Yes,
Adjacent
teacher,
and
I have
height.
mic.
يلا حبيبي. Adjacent and hypotenuse. Which rule you will use? I have adjacent and I have height.
Cosine. Oh,
Cosine,
no.
yes. Yes, cosine. Cosine angle is 43 is equal to adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 70. I will make over 1 cross multiplication. X is equal to what يا شباب؟ cosine 43 times 7.
51.2.
كم؟
51.2.
51.2. So I will erase here and write the angle. I brought it 51 as the side, sorry, 51.2. And go to the second triangle. At the second triangle, you have theta, make a line, opposite, and here hype. Opposite and hype يوضح. Opposite and hype. Which rule you will use يوضح? Opposite and hype.
Opposite.
Opposite and hype. You have sine, cosine, tan. Which rule I will use opposite with it? Sine or cosine or tan? Opposite and hypotenuse.
Cosine.
لا. Opposite the first يعني sine. Look يا شباب. طيب how can I study them? I say opposite adjacent hype صح؟ By order كده say opposite first then adjacent then hype. طيب تعال نشوف calculator is it's written on the calculator sine cosine tan. يبقى sine for what? For the opposite. Sine for opposite. طيب cosine for adjacent. طيب what about tan? Both of them opposite and adjacent. تاني. Sine for opposite. Sine for what? Opposite. طيب cosine for adjacent. What about tangent? Opposite over adjacent. Okay يا شباب؟
Okay.
Let us complete our problem. I have sine. Sine 50, sine, you said sine, صح? Because of opposite. Sine, angle is what? Theta is equal to, opposite is 51.2 out of hype is 60. The angle is what يا شباب؟
58.6.
58.6 degree. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Let us take the second. I want to take number 6.
Me.
At number 6, I want angle theta. Angle theta is down. Let me make it a little smaller. Angle theta is down, صح?
صح. Yes.
This is what I want to find, this part and the second
From
part.
up. From up.
I want to find x and y. I will name this side as x and the second side as y. I'll start from up, yes. يلا شباب. I want x and y. Jijan Label said I want to solve. Let us find this part, Jijan. The red part here, x. From the angle I will make line. This is opposite. ولا عايزه. Here adjacent and here hype. Which rule you will use?
Cosine.
Cosine, because of adjacent. Cosine. Cosine كام?
Cosine 46.
Is equal to adjacent is x and hype is 15.1. How to find cross multiplication? يلا.
10.8. 10.5 teacher.
10.5. I can erase all of these and write 10.5 here. I want to find Abdulaziz Assam the second part.
Okay,
Y.
teacher.
From the angle I will make
opposite and it will be sine.
and high. Sine, صح. Sine angle is what?
Sine 51
is equal to opposite is y and the height is 24.4.
Yes.
Out of 1 cross
Add them,
multiplication.
teacher.
19.0.
19.0. 19.0.
19.0. The second side خليني let us erase this.
10.5 plus 19.0, teacher.
Yes, 19.0 here.
10.5 plus 19.0.
The total is what? كم؟ قولوا لي التوtal. 29.5.
29.5.
29.5.
This is the total. ننزل تحت بقى. From angle theta I have opposite and hype. Opposite and hype يعني
Sine.
sine angle missing theta is equal to 14.3 out of 29.5. The angle theta is what يا شباب؟ shift sign يلا.
Yes, teacher, I'm doing it. 29.5.
29.0.
29.0
29.0, yes.
degree. This is for
Teacher,
angle theta.
teacher, because it is 28.99.
Yes خلاص 29.0.
Okay.
29.0 degree. اوكي يا شباب. تو بيج وقت يا محمد 282.
Yes.
Okay. We will solve exercise 3 star at page 279 next time. I want to close the meeting now يا شباب, and we still have 9 minutes I know, but I don't want to take more. We still have another period. We will take the second period إن شاء الله. Okay يا شباب.
Okay.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.